2016 Toyota Corolla remote. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. You will need a small flathead screwdriver. Flip it over, and we notice right here on the left side there's a little slot. Perfect for this flathead screwdriver. I'm put it in here. I'm just going to twist it. Okay, and it'll crack it open like that. And then use a flathead screwdriver just to pop it open. Now, when you pop it open, you want to make sure that you have the buttons facing down, okay? Because once you open this up, these buttons, they get all loose and they can move. See how this one's moving? And if you're in the car like me, or you're somewhere where if they fall down and fall out and they're hard to get, you don't want that, okay? So I'm just going to take this out, and here are the buttons here. We're just going to put this off carefully to the side so we don't need it. All we need is this right here, okay? You need that flathead screwdriver again. And if you notice that these are little locks that lock this all together. We're going to unlock them. We're going to unlock each one. Now you're going to need like what I do is I get my fingernail and I stick it in between this black part and the clear part. Just put some pressure on there, unlock, and just keep my finger in there, because you're going to have to go around and unlock like half of them before it lets you open it. All right. If you don't have your fingernail there, they'll just continue to lock, and you'll go around a bunch of times, and it can make it kind of difficult. All right. So I'm trying to lose stuff in this car. Now here we go. Here's the battery. I'm going to pry it out from the bottom. There's like a little slot right here, and then I will show you what size this battery is. This battery size is a CR 2016. Positive sign facing out towards us. It goes in, there's these contacts right here. It goes in these contacts here, and then it locks them like that. The cover, and just snap it back. And get your key. Carefully put it right back where it was without moving any of those buttons. Snap it together, and you're done.